Hola, 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 hola YouTube. Soy vuestro chico de la shisha and I'm back again with another reaction. Today I'm going to be reacting to TRUENO vs El Menor. This is a battle I've been wanting to react for a really long time. So finally someone managed to subtitle it for me, and I've already seen clips of this battle and I reacted to this battle already but without English subtitles, and I know TRUENO won, and everyone I reacted to are the best of El Menor, and I saw some clips from this battle. I mean, the things he did, especially with the E, the one he rhymed with E like 69 times or something like that. That was insane. I mean, I'm still like wondering how the hell did TRUENO ended up winning this battle. But today I'm gonna see it. So thank you guys for translating that, sending it to me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's keep growing. I'm gonna keep giving you more content. If you do have any songs, freestyles, or rap battles you want me to react to, just drop in the comment section down below. And or you can send a link of it to me on my Instagram as well. So without further ado, let's smoke the shisha and get to this video. Okay, before we start, I wanted to say that it was a little difficult for me to translate this battle because my English is not very good. Ooh, and that doesn't help much. Besides, many times they use their own jargons that don't have a translation as such. I'm really sorry if you find any mistakes in this. Okay, let's go.
Comienza entonces. Comienza. Voy yo. Gente, TRUENO versus El Menor y Chile. ¡Mira la fuerte bulla! ¡A la cuenta!
Ok, que se considera que tú deberías haber partido en la primera, y quien estés aquí solo es gracias al jurado.
Sí.
Que tú representas rap es ser desconsiderado. Yo considero.
Oh, the first bar already considered. Look at the way he used that. Okay, what is considered? What you should have lost in the first one. If that you're here is only thanks to the jury, but to say that you represent rap is to be inconsiderate. Damn, this boy. Oh my god.
Al jurado,
Sí.
que tú representas rap es ser desconsiderado. Yo considero a mis compañeros, a los que fluyen, a los que sí son raperos, a los que sí son callejeros,
Sí.
no los que nombran su calle pero de calle no tienen.
Oh my god. Flow, I consider my companions. To those who flow, to those who, if are rappers, not those who name their streets, but of streets have nothing. You're talking about what street you're from, but when it comes to the street life, that's a fucking double meaning. You have nothing, basically. You have no experience about the street life.
Pero no los que nombran su calle pero de calle no tienen ñero. Compañero, yo soy el futuro, tú eres el pasado, eso te lo aseguro. Tú ya te vas a retirar, no vas a ir a los parques, y después de esto te van a dar más ganas de retirarte. Así que
He is fucking him up already. I mean, the first three words that he used: partner, I'm the future, you're the past. I assure you, you're going to retire, you're not going to the parks. And after this, you will want to retire even more. After this beating that you're going to get from me, you're going to want to retire even more.
a los parques, y después de esto te van a dar más ganas de retirarte. Así que yo soy bueno, excepto cuando estoy molesto y no soy directo. Pero si soy directo y te voy a dejar ya muerto, te superaré en cualquier aspecto. Tú tienes muchas deficiencias.
Oh my god, yeah, he in his bag right now. Except I'm good, except when I'm upset and I'm not direct. But today I'm direct and I will leave you dead. I will surpass you in every fucking aspect. Probably except the flow. I don't think you have a better flow than TRUENO, El Menor. I can agree you're probably gonna be better than him in every aspect when it comes to freestyle rap battles. But when it comes to flow, no one can do better than TRUENO. But he's murdering, so.
Ya muerto, te superaré en cualquier aspecto. Tú tienes muchas deficiencias. Yo soy eficiente y eficaz. Entiendes mi coherencia. Mi acto y mis palabras todas tienen coherencia. o congruencia. Tú no demuestras tu esencia. Okay. Yo soy un...
Oh my god, you have many deficiencies. I'm efficient and effective. Do you understand my coherence? My actions or words all have coherence and congruence. You don't show any essence.
O congruencia, tú no demuestras tu esencia. Okay. Yo soy un métrico con desquicio. Tengo este léxico del inicio. Yo quería un rapper bueno que no tuviera relleno y me trajeron a Trueno pésimo servicio.
Yeah, this was in the clip. This was in the clip. I'm a metric man with madness. I have this lexicon from the beginning. I wanted a good rapper today, one that didn't have any padding, and they brought me Trueno. Lousy service, bad service.
Tuviera relleno y me trajeron a Trueno pésimo servicio.
¡Suena listo! ¡Público! ¡Mano arriba!
Dame toda la palabra para rimarla, papi no hay charla. Estos raperos rapean, hablan, no sé, pero sos un muñeco. Además vos me hablas del gueto, me parece que sos seco. Yo rimo y te quedas seco.
Flow. The flow goat. The goat of flows. Give me all the words to rhyme them. Don't talk how all these rappers rap and talk too much. I don't know, but you're a doll. And you talk to me about ghetto. It seems to me that you're Swedish. I rhyme and you stay dry. That's a fucking reference to the... Oh, that's a fucking dope reference. Damn. That's a reference to ghetto. The rap that ghetto did with the H2O. Obviously, it seems to me that you're Swedish. I rhyme and you stay dry. There's no water. That's a fucking double reference there. Okay. Okay, Trueno.
Del gueto, me parece que sos seco, yo rimo y te quedas seco. Ellos, papi, esto no es mediado. Es un rapero demasiado muy malo. Que solamente depende del jurado y que habla de mi barrio sin haberlo caminado.
Oh, he flipped the street rhyme, but it's the fucking flow, man. It's the way the control he has on the beat is just ridiculous. I've never seen a rapper who is able to control the beat, man, like Trueno. Hey you, this is not half. It's too bad a rapper that only depends on the jury and who talks about my neighborhood without even you haven't walked in my neighborhood. They talked about saying, Trueno mentioned street, but you've never been you're not about the street life.
Y que habla de mi barrio sin haberlo caminado. No me sirve, vos sos la preferida. Todos te dan la puerta de entrada y de salida, pero hay una decisión para mí que es muy suicida. Que competir contra Trueno, papi, juega con tu vida. Mi vida no te vi.
Trueno is he saying some shit, you know? It doesn't work for me. You're the favorite. Everyone gives you the door in and out, but there's a decision that for me is very suicidal, which is to compete with Trueno, brother. You play with your life. Damn, fucking hell. Basically, you're gonna get murdered, but it's the way he's putting it, man. I've never seen Trueno like this though. I've never seen Trueno in this bag.
Muy suicida, que competir contra Trueno, papi, juega con tu pipi. Mi vida no te vi, no soy un lector. Este guacho se cree el mejor. Es un pendejo, yo te lo dejo. Se encuentra complejo cada vez que se mira al espejo. Ay, papi.
He's fucking he's matching Trueno, right? He's matching El Menor right now. I didn't see you. I'm not a reader. This guy thinks he's the best. Obviously, reader. You read book. You have to see to read. And he's saying I didn't see you. I'm not a reader. It's stupid. I leave it to you. He finds complexes every time you look in the mirror.
Se encuentra complejo cada vez que se mira al espejo. Ay, papi, se te sale la membrana. Demasiado flow, nego rap que lo gana. Este es un servicio que no le gana. Y este del rap no puede ser vicio como con la marihuana. Hey, Trueno con...
Oh, he's a fucking hell. He's matching El Menor right now. I think this first easy mode is even. And your membrane is coming out. Too much flow. I get rapping that wins it. This is a service that doesn't beat him. And this guy with the rap, it cannot be vice. Like with the marijuana. Is it talking about the... I might be reaching here, but I see what he's trying to make, making reference with the Maroon. I know obviously El Menor does a little bit, or he's done a little bit of drugs, so okay.
Y este del rap no puede ser vicio como con la marihuana.
Última.
Ey, trueno comienza, no la piensa. Papi, nunca tengo la vergüenza. Esa rima que se pesa, va pa' tu cabeza. Traje completo con mayonesa.
Ooh. Oh, Trueno stars, don't think about it. I'm never ashamed. That rhyme is thick. Goes to your head. Take this completo. Completo is the hot dog in chili with mayonnaise.
Va pa' tu cabeza, traje completo con mayonesa.
¡Fuerte esa bulla! ¡Fuerte esa bulla, Chile! Segundo round, hard mode. Comienzas tú, Trueno. Termina El Menor. Y la gente me pone las manos arriba. Las manos arriba. Las manos arriba. ¡Eh! 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 Todos, todos.
Dámelo, dámelo,
A la
dámelo.
cuenta de...
Es el hard mode, papi, ya no hay referencia. Vos sos el referee de esta competencia. Porque te fija la tienda. Yo soy un artesano y traje artesano para tu conciencia. Papi, yo acá soy...
Oh, I'm gonna have to take what I said about Trueno back, you know. He's not just about flows. What? This is the hard mode, no more references. You're the referee of this competition. I'm an artisan because I brought you healthy art for your conscience. Damn. Damn.
Yo soy un artesano y traje artesano para tu conciencia.
¿Cómo?
Papi, yo acá soy el productor. Le hablo la panza, a mí me dicen el doctor. Ey, me toca contra El Menor, que freestyleando bueno, pero musicalmente Trueno mejor te jodo con el flow que te...
Yeah, I don't know about that. I mean, yeah, come on. Trueno has a very, very successful musical career, but I don't think El Menor has, he's got a music career yet, or does he? Because if he does, then obviously this time. But at the same time, he's still young, man. But Trueno is young as well. Trueno is only 19. Hey, it's my turn against El Menor. Doing freestyle is good, but musically Trueno is better. Yeah, that's true. You can't argue with that. You can't.
El Menor, que freestyleando bueno, pero musicalmente Trueno mejor te jodo con él. Lo que tengo, papi, esto no es similar ni a palo te sale así. Porque te quieres rapear, pero no bueno ni ahí. Esto es propio, es un flow que tengo yo en el free. No te sale.
Oh my god, damn. The flow is crazy, man. This guy wants to rap, but it's not good. This is my own. It's a flow that I have in the free. You cannot take his flow away. You can't, you just can't.
Propio es un flow que tengo yo en el free. No te sale, vos estás alrededor, buscando el queso como un puto roedor. En el trastorno porque no sos el mejor y por tu altura siempre vas a ser el menor. Pero de todo Chile.
Oh, damn. Trueno, I'm sorry for saying you've only got flows. I'm really sorry, because damn, you're murdering this. You don't get it. You're around looking for cheese like a fucking rodent. Rat looks for cheese, but then you're here looking for money. Cheese is a slang for money as well. It's a fucking double meaning. You have disorders because you're not the best, and because of your height you'll always be a minor. Fucking hell. A minor is like someone that is less underaged, and you know. But he's gonna grow, man. Like, he has to grow, man. He's how old is he? 16? 15, 16?
El mejor y por tu altura siempre vas a ser el menor. Rapero de todo Chile. La mente está ubicada así que a todo el mundo dile. Que yo no soy un dealer. Yo no controlo las drogas, yo controlo los skills. Papi, estoy en el centro. Y eso que ni siquiera me concentro. Él te puso cosas que no me arrepiento. Si me retiro porque parece en este como un intento.
He murdered that, you know. I'm in the center, that which I do not even concentrate. This one puts things I don't regret. If I retire, it's to give in to this guy as an attempt. Fucking hell. Damn. Damn.
Arrepiento si me retiro porque parece en este como un intento. Te lo cuento. Dime cómo lo represento.
Let's go,
¿estás listo? DJ, ¿estás lista? Gente, mano a arriba, mano arriba. Yeah, yeah. ¿Cómo dice? ¿Cómo suena?
Tiempo.
Mucho flow, poco punchline, eres de cartón. Y yo te mando al cantón, porque canto a lo Jimmy Neutron. Y soy neutro como neutro.
Oh, a lot of flow but little punchlines. I disagree with that, man. The first couple rounds, the easy mode and hard mode of Trueno, you can't say he's just about flows because he's got everything in there. He's got everything there. He's got punchlines. He's got bars. You're fake. I sent you to the Canton corner, okay, because I sing like Jimmy Neutron. I'm guessing Jimmy Neutron is a singer. Okay.
Al cantón, porque canto a lo Jimmy Neutron. Y soy neutro como neutro. Yo en la aldea soy mejor. Soy Aldo el aldeano. Yo soy el cráter del volcán y voy a volcar a este primate. Yo soy un geyser.
He's dropping references now. You see, this is what when you drop reference and you're able to connect it and create a punchline out of it, you get more points for that. Aldo el Aldeano, Cuban rapper. Okay, I'm a crater of the volcano. I'm going to dump this primate. Called him a primate.
Yo soy el cráter del volcán y voy a volcar a este primate. Yo soy un geyser, tú quieres ser gay y quedas muerto, te clavo 6 y soy loco de remate. Ok, esto es mi...
The fuck is that reference? I know you're 6. I've heard that before. I'm a geyser. You want to be gay and you stay dead. I know you're 6.
Gay y quedas muerto, te clavo 6 y soy loco de remate. Ok, esto es mi modo aéreo, porque yo voy a volar por todito el hemisferio. Y en realidad te voy a enseñar de este diseño. Vos no eres vecino, de aquí no te sientas dueño. Yo sí lo soy, tú vete a un concurso donde seas rapero malo y sin recursos. Porque yo te hago un retrato y tomo el impulso. Es un autorretrato, no eres autocrítico, impulso. Yo te
The words this guy is using is fucking, I mean, every time I just like, how the hell does he know all of this though? Because I make you a portrait and I take the impulse. It's a self-portrait, you're not self-critical, uncultivated. Damn.
Como el impulso, es un autorretrato, no eres autocrítico, impulso. Yo te hago los honores de ganarte a ti, mandarte pa' los perdedores. Es un honor decir que tengo el tridente, porque soy Poseidón, tú eres la...
Talk your shit, my nigga. Talk your shit. I'll do the honor of sending you to the losers. It's an honor to say that I have the trident because I'm Poseidon, the great god. Okay.
Perdedores, es un honor decir que tengo el tridente, porque soy Poseidón. Tú eres la playa del frente muy pequeño comparado con mí. Este no conoce el flow que yo saco en el beat. Eres un desconocido y la mente no la amplía. Te falta amplificación, tu concentración está vacía.
You're a stranger and your mind is not wide. You lack amplification. Your concentration is empty. Damn, fuck. It's the end of the easy and the hard mode. Boy, I can't give a winner there, man. I can't, because I came into this this reaction expecting Trueno El Menor to just destroy him completely, but that wasn't the case. I mean, Trueno held his own. So that first couple rounds, that's the easy and hard mode to me is a tie really. I can't really separate them. Even though El Menor dropped more like references but Trueno was excellent, man. He was amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to the next reaction. I'll do the next one is gonna be themes, like in themes and what else, and characters. I'll do that one in the same video as well. So yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys on my next reaction. Peace.